Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Spiritual leader and founder of the Isha Foundation, Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev, responded to the National Council of Educational Research and Trainings, that is NCRT, recommendation to replace India with Bharat in all textbooks. On Tuesday, he said it was important for a country to have a name that reverberates in everyone's heart. In a post on X, Sadhguru said, and I quote, "We should have reclaimed the name Bharat when the British left our shores. A name will not do everything, but it is important that the country is named in a way that resonates in everyone's heart." Sadhguru added that although the country meant everything to its citizens, India had no meaning. We are unable or unwilling to change the nation's name officially. It is time we at least bring Bharat in our daily speech. Congratulating NCRT on the recommendation, Sadhguru emphasized the importance of younger generations knowing about Bharat. He said, and I quote, "Younger generations must understand that Bharat existed long before India came into being. Congratulations @NCRT. A committee appointed by NCRT to revise the school curriculum proposed last year that the term India should be substituted with Bharat in textbooks across all grades. NCRT Director Dinesh Prasad Saklani stated on Monday that Bharat and India would be used interchangeably, mirroring the practice in the Indian Constitution. He emphasized that there was no preference for one over the other. Saklani said, and I quote, "It is interchangeable. Our position is aligned with what our constitution says and we respect that. We can use Bharat and we can use India. What is the issue? We are not engaged in that debate. We will use India where appropriate. We will use Bharat where appropriate. We have no preference for either India or Bharat. Both are already used in our textbooks and will continue to be used in new textbooks. This debate is unnecessary." Meanwhile, Committee Chairperson C.I. Azak stated, and I quote, "The committee has unanimously recommended that the name Bharat should be used in the textbook for students across classes. Bharat is an ancient name that has been used in textbooks like the Vishnu Purana, which dates back 7,000 years. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.